Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you what are the best beat making software for you. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. First, you need to start with FL Studio. FL Studio is a versatile and powerful digital audio workstation that has been a favorite among beat makers for years. It offers a wide range of features including step sequencer, piano roll, and vast library of sounds and plugins. The software is known for its user-friendly interface and lifetime free updates. If we make a quick summary, the pros are highly initiative, extensive MIDI capabilities, and it has lifetime updates. And consider about cons, it can be overwhelming for beginners, and it is best for everyone from beginners to pros, and the price is starting from just $99. So this is the website you can download FL Studio. Use this link https www.image-line.com. So let's go to second software. This is Ableton Live. Ableton Live is renowned for its seamless integration of live performance and beat making capabilities. It features a unique session view that allows users to experiment with different arrangement and create beats on the fly. The software also includes a wide range of built-in instrument and effects, making it a favorite among professional producers. So this one is great for live performances, user-friendly interface, and versatile workflow. And this is not the most affordable one, and best for live performance and beat making. And this has several versions, so price can be vary depend on the version. So let's go to third one. This is Logic Pro. Logic Pro is a comprehensive DAW designed especially for macOS users. It offers a vast array of tools for music production, including advanced MIDI editing, a powerful mixer, and a wide range of virtual instrument and effect. Logic Pro is known for its high quality sound and professional grade features. And this one is excellent for Apple devices, rich in features. And the cons is only available for macOS only, and price is starting from $199 from here. So next one is GarageBand, and this is a user-friendly DAW that comes pre-installed on macOS devices. It offers a simple interface and variety of built-in instruments and loops, making it an excellent choice for beginners. While it lacks some advanced features, GarageBand is perfect for those just starting with beat making. And the pros are free and easy to use, great for beginners, and cons are limited advanced features. And price is this is completely free. So let's go with next solution, and this is MPC Beats. So this is a free beat making software that provides all the essential tools needed to create professional sounding beats. It includes a variety of drum kits, samples, and effects, as well as user-friendly interface. MPC Beats is a great option for those looking to get it started without spending any money. And the pros are free, includes essential beat making tools, and cons are limited compared to paid software. And this is completely free software. You can just download using this website www.akaipro.com/mpcbeats. The last one in this list is Splice. So this is a cloud-based platform that offers a vast library of samples, loops, and presets. It is designed to help producers find inspiration and create beats quickly. Splice also includes collaboration features, making it easy to work with other musicians and producers. So this one is great for beginners, extensive sample library, and cons are subscription based one. This is and this is best for beginners and those who need a large sample library. So these are the 6 beat making software I found on the internet as best ones. So you can choose, you can go with a free one or paid one. So it's totally depend on you. So I suggest you to choose best for your usage. Like if you are beginner, you can use the free version, and then after you gain some knowledge about that one, you can use the paid version. So these are the all today with this video. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.